Hi everyone, this is a quick video just to introduce you guys to key ideas on the strategies of operations management. You'll notice this is quite a big outcome and there's 4 specific strategies in the study design. And there's just a couple of things I want to go over first, just so we know what's going on. Okay, so I want to start with the strategies to improve effectiveness and efficiency of operations. So these 2 concepts of effectiveness and efficiency appear in all 4 of the key strategies. Okay, so I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of a tip on how to remember what each of these mean. So effectiveness, it refers to the degree to which the business has achieved its objectives. And this is a little bit of a trick, or a funny way to remember what effectiveness means is effective rhymes with objective. All right, so anytime you're asked to explain how a particular strategy achieves or improves the effectiveness of operations, well, you've got to show then how that improves the achievement of a specific business objective, such as increase market share, increase profit, so on and so forth. All right, so effective rhymes with objective, and that's what that one's all about. Then we've got efficiency, and what efficiency is all about is the relationship of inputs, which is the stuff that comes into the business, to outputs, which is the stuff that leaves the business. All right, and so when we're talking about efficiency, this is in relation to one of these 4 strategies, either reducing the amount of inputs that are required in the production process, or increasing the amount of outputs. Yeah, they're getting more from the inputs that they've already got. It's closely linked to the concepts of productivity, and when you're asked how these particular strategies improve efficiency, you have to either show how they reduce a specific input or they increase the amount of outputs. Now, the 4 ways that operation managers can improve effectiveness or efficiency of operations are these 4 strategies. Okay, so we've got technology, materials management, quality, and waste minimization. We're not gonna go through all 4 of those in detail in this particular video. That'll be for future learnings. All right, so that is the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. What I then wanted to go on to is kind of like a way to remember, as my cat comes and joins us for the video. Say hello to Troy, everyone. Now, Troy can't help you with the 4 main strategies for operations managers, so I'm gonna put him down, and I can help you. So, what I like to do is try and think of these 4 main strategies as tools on a tool belt. Okay, so when you're learning operations management, imagine you're walking into the factory for the day, and the first thing you do when you start your shift is you go to the office and you put on your tool belt, okay, because you're working in a factory, right? So you put on your tool belt, and then you start to put 4 tools on that tool belt. And the first one you're going to put on is technology. All right, and this is the first strategy that we're going to learn about in operations management. Now, just like a hammer does multiple things, yeah, a hammer can hammer nail in a wood. It can also take the nail out of wood. It can flatten soft metal, whatever hammers do. Just like a hammer does multiple things, your operations management strategies also do lots of different things. So when we're learning about technology, there are 4 sub-strategies within technology that all improve the effectiveness or efficiency of operations. Yeah, and just like the other tools, materials, there are 4 things in the study design that the materials management strategy does. There are 3, I think it's 3, quality sub-strategies. There's 3 things the quality strategy does. And then with waste minimization, there's lots of ways that the business can minimize waste, mainly through lean management. And we're going to learn about 7 specific lean management principles on ways that we can improve the efficiency and effectiveness. So you're going to be presented with a lot of business problems in this particular unit of learning. And you're going to have to pretend to be this operations manager. You're on the shop floor and this problem presents itself, and you're going to have to use one of these 4 tools to best fix that problem. And I want you to think of it in that kind of sphere of, all right, which one am I going to use? I'm going to use this one because it's most appropriate to the situation, given the strengths and limitations of this particular tool compared to the situation that is presented in the case study. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of a way to declutter all of this information, because there's a lot of information in these particular 4 key knowledge points, and hopefully this can help. All right, thanks everyone.